With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that among these 7 crystal systems, how many systems have body-centered unit cell as a possible variation? Option 1, 3, option B, 4, option C, 5, and option D, 6. So in this question, we have to find out that how many crystal systems have body-centered unit cell as a possible variation. So first of all, you should remember the 7 crystal system. The 7 crystal system are, first is cubic, then we have tetragonal, then we have trigonal, then we have orthorhombic, which can also be called as rhombic. Then we have monoclinic, then we have triclinic, and then we have hexagonal. So these are the 7 crystal system. It is a factual question. You have to remember all these 7 crystal systems and type of cubic unit cell which exist in each crystal system. So in cubic unit cell, there are 3 variations of unit cell, right? So in cubic, there can be primitive unit cell, which is also known as simple unit cell. There can be face-centered, and there can be body-centered. Then in tetragonal, there is primitive and body-centered unit cell as a possible variation. Then in trigonal, there is only primitive unit cell, and then in orthorhombic and rhombic, there is primitive, face-centered, body-centered, and end-centered. Right. Then in monoclinic, there is primitive, and end-centered unit cell. And then in trigonal, there is triclinic, there is only primitive, and in hexagonal also there is only primitive. Now if you count all the possible unit cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, so these 14 are known as Bravais lattices. Right, we have 14 Bravais lattices. Now in question we have to tell the systems which have body-centered unit cell as possible variation. So body-centered exists in cubic crystal system, then it exists in tetragonal, then it exists in orthorhombic crystal system. Right, so we have total 3 crystal system which have body-centered cell as possible variation. Right, so the answer will be 3, which is given in option A. So option A is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.